Okay, so it is 3 marks question for CBSE boards. Here we are going to solve it by left hand side. Cot A minus 1 by 2 minus sec square A. So we can see this right hand side. This right hand side there is cot and tan. For this left hand side, what approach I can use? I can replace this sec square A in terms of tan square A while using the identity sec square A is equals to 1 plus tan square A. So replace it. Cot A minus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus tan square A. So finally we have cot A minus 1, 2 minus 1 plus tan square A. Simplify this. Cot A minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus tan square A, cot A minus 1 by 1 minus tan square A, by 1 minus tan square A. Further it can be simplified. Here this denominator part I am going to simplify while using the algebra identity because it can be seen as 1 square minus tan square A. So here we are going to apply identity. Cot A minus 1 by A plus B means 1 plus tan A and 1 minus tan A. Now this cot A can be replaced in terms of tan. So this cot A we can write as 1 by tan A minus 1 and then denominator part 1 plus tan A 1 minus tan A. Then take LCM for the numerator part. It will come 1 minus, so numerator part 1 minus tan A by tan A. I have taken LCM here and 1 plus tan A 1 minus tan A. So here some cancellation is possible. These two terms got cancelled out. So we left with 1 by tan A 1 plus tan A. Okay, 1 by tan A into 1 plus tan A. Now it can be written separately. See like this. 1 by tan A into 1 by 1 plus tan A. Now 1 by tan A means cot A, correct? And into 1 by 1 plus tan A. So it can be written as cot A by 1 plus tan A, which is nothing but right hand side, which is equals to right hand side. So this question is for 3 marks in CBSE board. So practice it nicely. ऐसे और क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. It is MTuitions by नीतू शर्मा. Thank you.